Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm back with a macrame tutorial after a long time. This beautiful macrame book holder or can be used as an organizer. Gives a boho touch to your house. Let's find out how to make it yourself. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I got this stand again from D.I.Y and this was foldable like this. All the materials are linked down on the description. This was about 14 into 12 inches and I'm using a single strand cord of 4 mm size. I already cut out some cord. They are of 180 inches. The cords are gonna be really long. You might have some difficulty in assembling them at first. First, fold them into half and attach them one by one in one side of the frame like this and wrap the frame one more time with the same cord like this. So with one cord we will create 4 loops and join all the cords like the same way. Cords are gonna be very long, so you can fold them up so that it can be easy to work with. Attach all of them one by one like the same way. After I finished joining them, I made a row of square knots. For now, I only added 18 cords. And after the first row, it was quite difficult to work on a floor, so I hang my entire work. I divided the cords into 3 groups and make a triangle with square knots like this. This is when I felt some gaps in between the square knots and I added 4 more cords simply with a lark's head knot, and that makes my total cords to 22. Then I'll make a layer of hitch knot like a border to the triangles. I'm really not focusing on the knots today. If you want to learn the detailed way of making the knots, please visit my older videos or my playlist called Macrame. So I'm gonna make a same hitch knot on the other 2 triangles as well. You can go for any kind of design you feel like. I'm giving you an overview of the whole design I have created. For the next row, I made a layer of square knots followed by hitch knots. After I made a diamond shape, I go ahead and made one more row of the square knots. As I already mentioned, you can make your own choice when it comes to the design. Let's skip to the part when we join the cords in the frame. Just pass all the cords into the inner side of the frame. I had to switch to the floor again. Before joining, make sure you open the frame how much you needed or wanted. Then take the cords one by one, wrap the frame like this, like hitch knots, twice with each cord. Use all the cords, and after we finish, now it's time to make the bottom part of the frame. For the base, as it has to be a little stronger, I'm keeping it just square knots, 2 in the same row, and gonna fill up the whole base with it. Once you're done with that, again join the cords on the frame the same way we did it earlier. Pass them all behind the frame and one by one join them with a hitch knot. So now we are done with these two parts, and the last side will be the exact replica of the first side. And then joining is again the same like earlier. This time it has to be a little bit tighter. After that, we all left with these cords. Some cords are really short. Again, make one more row of square knots. If some cords are really short like this, try to hide them in between the square knots. And finishing knot will be like this. To do that, find two longer cords in the group to make a loop like this, and with another one, wrap them twice or thrice, not too tight. Then pass this through the loop, and the other end of the loop will pull them down. And that's it. Do it with all the cords. Then we will equal the cords, brush them up really nicely, and let them hang like a tassel. And this beautiful organizer is ready. I hope you guys will like it too. Don't forget to leave your feedback or suggestion on the comment section below. I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.